Assalamu alaikum, dear student of class 8. First of all, welcome to my period and I hope that you are all very well, means fit and fine. So now beta, today our topic is to solve the exercise of lesson 11. To solve the exercises of lesson 11 and the topic is, our topics are phrases and clause. Now beta, our topics are phrase and clause. Okay. First of all, I will teach you phrase. Right beta? Phrase. Okay. Sorry. First of all, I will write definition. What is phrase? Do you know beta? No? Okay, don't you worry. So now open your textbook and notebook. Page number 66. Phrases and clauses. I have already teach you phrase and clause. So now I will repeat again what is phrase. What is phrase? A combination of words that make sense. Now a combination of words that make sense but not a complete sense. That makes sense but not a complete sense. Right beta? A combination of words that make sense but not a complete sense, which has some meaning, but does not clear in complete sense. But does not clear and complete sense. Right beta? Now a combination of words that make sense but not a complete sense, which has some meaning but does not clear and complete sense, that is called phrase. That is called phrase. Yani fikiro. Okay. So now beta, a combination of words that make sense but not a complete sense, which has some meaning but does not clear and complete sense, that is called phrase. But a combination of words माना लफ्ज़न जो combination जेको sense तॾे पर मुकम्मल न ॾे बाबा, जेको meaning तॾे पर clearly meaning न ॾे, जीअं as for example outside the window Outside the window. What outside the window? Which thing outside the window? We don't know. So this is called phrase. Now outside the window, put ॾिसो combination of words आहे. Combination of words आहे and it makes the sense. Meaning ठाहे थो त दरिए जे सेंस ठाहे थो दरिए जे ॿाहिरां. पर छा दरिए जे ॿाहिरां? केरु दरिए जे ॿाहिरां? We don't know. The combination of words that make sense. लफ़्ज़नि जो कॉम्बिनेशन जेको सेंस त ठाहे बट पर नॉट अ कंप्लीट सेंस, पर मुकमिल तरीक़े सां न मीनिंग ॾिए न सेंस ठाहे. मुकमिल क्लियरली चए थो इट विच हैज़ सम मीनिंग, जंहिंखे कुझु माना त आहे पर उन उहो सही नमूने सां क्लियरली वाज़े तौर असांखे मीनिंग नथो ॾेखारे. राइट, जीअं आउटसाइड दी विंडो. नाउ ऑन दी अदर एग्जाम्पल, on the table. Okay, behind the door. Many more phrases. Okay, and now second topic. Our second topic is class. What beta? Class means nando jumlo. Class. Okay, class. A simple sentence which forms a, first of all we write definition. Right beta? Definition: a simple sentence which a simple sentence which forms a part of a okay. Subject in a predicate. Right beta? Okay, now beta, a simple sentence which forms a part of a larger or longer sentence is called a clause. माना हिकु नंढो जुमिलो क्लास हिकु वॾे सेंटेंस जो छा हूंदो आहे पुट हिकु पार्ट हूंदो आहे, हिकु हिसो ठाहे थो. राइट पुट चए थो अ क्लास कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ सब्जेक्ट एंड अ प्रेडिकेट, यानी मुकमिल सेंटेंस जंहिंमें सब्जेक्ट बि हुजे, वर्ब बि हुजे, ऑब्जेक्ट बि हुजे. राइट, एंड दिस इज़ दी हाउस वेयर वी लिव. ही घर आहे जिते असीं रहूं था. ठीकु आहे पुट, हेॾे ॾिसो वेयर वी लिव, इहो हिन वॾे सेंटेंस जो छा आहे पुट हिसो आहे. वॾे सेंटेंस जो छा आहे पुट पार्ट आहे. यहाँ each class is not a complete meaning. Is not a complete meaning because it does not give a complete meaning, because it does not a complete meaning. It does not give a complete meaning independently. Right? Okay. Here it is so put. Each clause is not a complete meaning because it does not give a complete meaning independently. माना वो आज़ाद तरीके सां माना complete meaning न थोड़ी हर माना क्लास complete meaning ना है नींदो पुट right जीअं as first example I saw a dog. I saw a dog. Second, I saw a dog who was barking. Right? हाणे ॾिसो who was barking. Who was barking? हाणे केरु भौंकी रहियो मीनिंग ॾे थो पुट. I saw I असांजो सब्जेक्ट आहे पुट. ओके एंड सा असांजो छा आहे वर्ब आहे राइट. ओके या हिन खां हे सॼो हे वठी हलोसि predicator. Right put. Now who was barking is a part of larger sentence but does not express complete sense. Complete sense. Meaning independently. Right put here ॾिसो I saw a dog. I saw a dog मां हिकु कुतो ॾिठो meaning दे थो पुट. This is also called as sentence. Who was barking? Second example आहे who was barking. Who was barking is part of larger sentence but does not express complete sense or meaning independently. Right put. अचो सम्झ में पक. Okay. Two kinds of class. Two kinds of class. Principal class and subordinate class. Which first. And second. Okay. Principal, class and subordinate class. Beta, can I erase this side? Yes, okay. First, I will tell you principal class. A principal clause express a complete principal clause express a complete and clear complete and clear idea or thought. राइट पुट जो प्रिंसिपल क्लास होंदो आहे वो कंप्लीटली माना पूरी तरीक़े सां पाण ख़्याल या सोचूं एक्सप्रेस कंदो आहे. इट रिमेन्स मीनिंगफुल सॉरी it remains meaningful even if the other clause are removed. Even if other clause removed. Okay, from the sentence. From the sentence. A principal clause is also known as main clause or independent clause. Okay. Example, he does not work hard. He does not work hard, but he is quite intelligent. He is quite right. Put it so. He does not work hard. प्रिंसिपल क्लास हिन खे असां प्रिंसिपल क्लास छो था चऊं पुट छाकाणि ही डज़ नॉट वर्क हार्ड, ही सख़्तु महिनत नथो करे, मुकुल माना ॾेई छॾियईं, पर जेकॾहिं अगर ही सेंटेंस असां हिसो न लिखूं त को फ़र्क़ु नथो पवे पुट हिन ते, छाकाणि हीउ पंहिंजो मुकमिल सेंस सही मीनिंग ही इज़ क्वाइट इंटेलिजेंट, माना ही बिल्कुलु माना होशियारु आहे, राइट पुट। उन खां पोइ जेको सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज, नाउ now second subordinate clause। now बेटा subordinate clause, clause are dependent clause। ॾिसो पुट हिन मां ई ख़बर सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज आर डिपेंडेंट, इंडिपेंडेंट आज़ाद, डिपेंडेंट माना आज़ाद न, हिन खे पंहिंजी माना ऐं मुकमिल करण लाइ ॿिए क्लॉज जी ज़रूरत पवंदी आहे पुट। इज़ अ क्लॉज विच the clause which depends on another clause, which depends on an other clause for its meaning, for its meaning, it does not express a, it does not express a complete thought, express a thought alone। example, the boy did not know, the boy did not know that his father had come, that his father had come। now beta subordinate clause। ॾिसो पुट, द बॉय डिड नॉट नो माना छोकिरे न ॼाणियो, ठीकु आहे, that his father had come। अगर सेंटेंस असां ही हिसो पुट न लिखूं, ही हिसो त that his father had come, त हिन मुकमिल माना नथो ॾिए, पर that his father had come पुट छा छो त हिन खे पंहिंजी मीनिंग मुकमल करण लाइ हिकु ॿिए क्लॉज जी ज़रूरत पवे थी, जेको असां लिखियो आहे द बॉय डिड नॉट नो, छोकिरे न ॼाणियो त हुनजो पीउ वापसि अची चुको आहे, राइट पुट। त जेको सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज हूंदो आहे, सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज आर डिपेंडेंट, डिपेंड पुट ॾिसो, डिपेंडेंट माना गैर आज़ाद, इंडिपेंडेंट मीन्स ख़ुदि मुख्तियार। त जेको प्रिंसिपल क्लास हूंदो आहे पुट, हुनखे पंहिंजी मीनिंग मुकमिल करण लाइ कंहिं ॿिए क्लास ज़रूरत न पवंदी आहे। ऐं सादी ॻाल्हि मां छोकिरी ॾिठी। अगरि मां चवां हू वॉज प्लेइंग, हू वॉज प्लेइंग, त इहो असांजो छा थी वेंदो, सबऑर्डिनेट क्लास छा कंदे मुकमल मां हू वॉज प्लेइंग, केरु छा प्लेइंग, केरु प्लेइंग पुट। अदर एग्जाम्पल ॾिसो, आई सॉ दी बॉय हू वॉज प्लेइंग। हे सो असांजो छा थींदो, सबऑर्डिनेट क्लास। अगरि हीअ सो न हुजेसि पुट हू वॉज प्लेइंग, केरु हू वॉज प्लेइंग, त असांजो हीअ शइ छा थी वेंदी, माना सिंपल वठो क्लास जेको हूंदो आहे पुट वॾे सेंटेंस जो हिकु हिसो हूंदो आहे, ठीकु आहे पुट। ऐं हुनजा काइंड्स हुआ प्रिंसिपल क्लास एंड सबऑर्डिनेट क्लास। प्रिंसिपल क्लास पुट उहो अहिड़ो क्लास हूंदो आहे, उहो इंडिपेंडेंट हूंदो आहे, आज़ादु हूंदा आहे, उहो हुनखे पंहिंजी माना मुकमल करण लाइ ॿिए कंहिंजी ज़रूरत न आहे पवंदी। जेको सबऑर्डिनेट क्लास हूंदो आहे पुट हुनखे पंहिंजी मीनिंग मुकमल करण लाइ हुनखे ॿिए क्लास जी ज़रूरत पवंदी आहे। नाउ ओपन योर टेक्स्ट बुक एंड पेज नंबर 66। A phrase is a group of words that does not have a subject and verb. समझाई चुकी हैं पुट। It usually forms part of a large sentence. He drove the car at great speed. Walking down the street, I saw a large and red rat. Startled by the noise, he looked around. Walking and startled are both formed from verbs, but they do not have subjects. A class has a verb with a subject. In each of the three examples, there is a clause. He drove the car. I saw a large red lorry. He looked round. A sentence may consist of only one clause. The man has not arrived. It may contain two clauses equally important. The man has not arrived, but he will soon be here. Right, Putra? One clause may less important than other. The man who owns the car has not arrived. We say that the man has not arrived is the main clause, and that who owns the car is a subordinate clause. Very simple, beta. Now say whether exercises, say whether the groups of words in italics or phrases or clauses. Ask yourself whether they contain a subject and a verb. पुट चए थो जेके इटालिक वर्ब आहिनि हुन में ॾिसो क्लास कहिड़ो आहे, फ्रेज़ कहिड़ो आहे। ॾिसो ही विल बी हियर इन अ वीक्स टाइम, जेके इटालिक इन अ वीक्स टाइम कॉम्बिनेशन वर्ड्स आहे पर इट गिव नॉट कंप्लीट मीनिंग, सो फर्स्ट वी आल्सो कॉल फ्रेज, राइट। आफ्टर अ मोमेंट शी सेट डाउन, आफ्टर अ मोमेंट, आफ्टर अ मोमेंट इटालिक पुट आफ्टर अ मोमेंट इज अ फ्रेज। He jumped up and opened the door. He jumped up. Italic he ॾिसो इन फ्रेज़ से सब्जेक्ट आहे पुट ऐं वर्ब बि अथसि। Now exercise phrase can sometimes be used instead of clause. This often happens in direct questions. He did not know when he should stop. He did not know when to stop. Now exercise B, change the clause in italics into infinitive phrase. I asked the teacher how I should do it. I asked teacher how to do it. Infinitive put to common up. Okay, now exercise C, change the clause into phrase by leaving out the words in italics. I am going to draw a man who is fighting a crocodile. I am going to draw a man fighting a crocodile who is cancelled. We noticed some bottles which were floating in the sea. We noticed some bottles floating in the sea. Okay. Exercise D, change the clauses into participle phrase, into participle phrases. I have already teach you participle, right beta? So now as we wanted to get there by noon, we started early in the morning. Now wanting to set there by noon. We started early in the morning. Very simple. Now beta, today our topic have finished. Tomorrow I will meet you again, new topic, new lesson. So thank you so much and God bless you.